If you missed Independence Layout or GRA or even Centenary City when it was affordable, then you want to pay rapt attention to this video. Welcome back to my channel. This is Anozie, your favorite real estate consultant, and in this video I want to show you what the back of Centenary City looks like, or Centenary City Phase 2. A lot of people have asked actually what this place looks like, and in this video I want to give you a glimpse of what it looks like. Now take a look at this. This is Centenary City, or this is the back of Centenary City. This is the Phase 2 of Centenary City. As you can see right there at that roundabout, you can see the building right there. Yes, that is that admin block. Now in a moment we're going to go back to the express and show you right from the express up until this point, then we can continue with this video. Is that okay? Awesome. Alright, so this is the Enugu Potaka Expressway. This is the road leading into Centenary City. If you can remember, this is just a few minutes away from Independence Layout, right? So once you drive into this road, that's off Enugu Potaka Road, you go straight down this road. Straight down this road leads right into the entrance of the Centenary City Gate. To the right, to the left are houses. This entire environment goes from between 20 million to 25 million naira per plot. And yes, this place was once 5, 6, 8 million naira a plot. So because we couldn't fly a drone above this entrance, we decided to drive. So we're driving into the main Centenary Gate. Now take note of the design of this gate, because in a moment you're going to be seeing it from the sky, and I want you to recognize it. Because of high security right here, we could not fly a drone across this place. So there's a police station to the right here, and there are a lot of security armed men at the gate. So we're just driving. Now take a look at this roundabout as well, because you're going to be seeing it from the sky in a moment, and I want you to recognize it. As you can see to the right, okay, so to the left here is the admin block, the Centenary City admin block, and to the right here you can see tractors. Yes, that's right, because they are walking on the road leading right into the Phase 2 of Centenary City. We're just taking right into the Phase 2 and we're going back up into the sky. Amazing. Now look at that. You can see that admin block over there. You see the gate right there. Yes, that's the gate over there, and this is the road we just drove into. Now take a look at this. This road is currently under construction. This particular road I'm showing you right now is the road leading to the Phase 2 of Centenary City. Right around here, a lot of these lands now have been bought. The ones that are available are going for between 10 million to 25 million naira a plot within this environment. Yes, as much as it looks like this, it is actually expensive, right? So that's the roundabout. Then you continue straight down. To the left here are other estates. There are a couple of other estates in there. So but we're going straight down. I'm taking you to the Phase 2 part of Centenary. Okay, so you're driving down this road. You know, the beauty about real estate is that once you buy right, you cannot buy wrong. I don't know if that makes sense. So once you bought from the right source, you're rest assured that your investment is going to generate high ROI, guaranteed. Now at this point we took left. Okay, of course the road ends here, and we took left. There's a golf course to the right hand, so we'll drive down straight past the golf course, straight past the railway, and we're heading down to this Phase 2. Now this environment is called the Phase 2. Yes, I know, it looks like nothing much is happening, but trust me, within the next 3, 4, 5 years, you would not recognize this place any longer. How do I know that? I know that because the demand here is high. A lot of people have been buying, especially in bulk, okay, so that they can create an estate or sell to individuals and stuff. So you can see there's already an estate coming up here. Okay, so down this road, straight down, is a place called Crystal Garden Phase 2. Crystal Garden Phase 2 is an estate owned by Horizontal City. It's the Phase 2 of their Crystal Garden brand. They have the Phase 1, the Phase 2, and the Phase 3. So as you can see, it's a cleared place. Actually, the estate is to the right and to the left. Pardon, the road is a bit messy because of the rain, and a lot of tractors have been passing down this road lately. There's a river down this road where they go to take sand, right? So this is what Crystal Garden Phase 2 looks like right now. It's just cleared, and both the left and the right. Crystal Garden Phase 2 is currently selling for 5 million naira, just 5 million naira for a 500 square meters. And you can see the environment. This place in the next 1 to 3 years will not be at this rate again. Alright, so call me on the number on your screen so that we can secure a plot for you right here, as a lot other people are taking up plots, and plots are running out really fast. This estate comes with a global CO, which is being worked on right now. However, you get an irrevocable power of attorney and the survey plan. Estate has a very good plan, and it will be made available to you once you demand for it. Alright, so thanks for watching. Enjoy an amazing day. I'm Jeff Anozie, your favorite real estate consultant. My goal is to bring you real estate deals right here in Enugu State, Nigeria, and in the southeast Atlantic. So go ahead and like this video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button so that you get to know when we release this type of real estate updates. I hope you enjoyed this video.